Good morning everyone, it's Friday, isn't it, Isla? And you're looking very festive. We just had to take a little Instagram photo for a brand, so we were trying to be a bit festive. Who's this? Who's that?
Cow.
Cow. Did you get him in an advent calendar because you were good?
Yeah.
Oh, what a face. Should we get some butter on your toast? Let's. Where is it?
Number one. Now we're going to do number
Oh, she's
two.
off. Isla, who's in here? Who's in there? Where is it? Oh, who's that?
Kiki.
He's trying to get to you. That's for being a good girl this morning. Hi everyone, happy Friday! Lachlan's saying happy Friday. It's the weekend, not that that means anything to us at the moment. So, what are we doing, Ida? We're going for a walk. We're going to go bear hunting. And Lachlan is going to go for a walk with my mum in his buggy, which is right there. So yeah, the weather's a bit meh. Good old Aberdeen weather. And that's what we're doing just now. And I was supposed to be out tomorrow night, but my friend is ill, so I'm out tonight instead with a different friend, which is very exciting. I need to get out, like seriously need to get out and just be me for a night rather than be a milk machine to you and a tantrum diffuser to Isla. So yeah, we are having a chilled day and then I'm out tonight. I like your hat, Isla. Nice hat. Nice wellies, you're very bright today. We've come out for a little walk because Isla needed to get out the house, didn't you? Yeah, burn off some energy. So we come out for a little walk. There's a woods just around the back of our house. So we're doing that and we're going bear hunting. Oh, that's exciting, isn't it? And it's just nice to get some fresh air. So my mum's got Lachlan in the buggy. She obviously couldn't come on this sort of path. And yeah, all that way. Okay, maybe the bears are over there, but we've got this and we're collecting things. So the two kids napped for about an hour, so I got a bunch of work done and emails done. Well, I say a bunch, as much as I could. And now Isla's awake, Lachlan's still sleeping. He woke up with the horriblest shriek. It wasn't even a cry, it was a proper shriek and went straight through me. So I gave him some of his medicine and he settled again. So I've just got this one watching what I'm doing and I'm literally trying to sort out my life because look at that. Aww. Such a mess. And I'm going out tonight. I gotta stop my room. Yeah.
Mama here.
Mama's tree.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
There you go.
Thanks, darling. Whoa. Got my little helper here trying to help me decide what shoes to wear, whether we're wearing boots or these little heel things. You think these ones, don't you? Yeah. I'm out for dinner with my friend and for cocktails, so this is what I'm wearing. I am wearing a dress from, that is not a dress, that is a jacket. A jacket from Misguided, which I got 40% off in the sale, or 30%, can't remember. And yeah, it's really fun. And then a really inappropriate dress. So the story behind this dress is I thought that this bit went all the way around. I put the wrong one in my basket, so basically I've ended up with one that has a cut out bit there. So yeah, wearing something that possibly I should be wearing 10 years ago when I was 19, not now. But anyway, it's a midi length, so that's good. And then I'm sort of keeping it chilled with these little heels rather than wearing big heels. So hopefully I get away with it, but maybe not. With a jacket on, I'm alright. Without, nah, we shall see. And I'm being super prepared. I've got Lachlan's swaddle ready, I've got my jammies ready, I've got my pump ready, I've got water. That's my light, so when I turn the big light out, I'm all good. And we'll all be ready for bed. Saturday morning and I am not feeling very fresh. I don't know why. I thought it was a good idea to have, what did I have? 2 glasses of Prosecco, a cocktail, shared a bottle of Prosecco, vodka and some more cocktails. With 2 kids. 1 kid on a hangover is bad enough. 2 kids on a hangover is like, oh, a whole other level. So yeah, I was not very pretty this morning. It's kind of lunchtime now. I'm feeling much more human. Salt and vinegar crisps always sort me out. So yeah, feeling much better now, but it's been a pretty rough morning. And yeah, I had to like express and get rid of milk and lovely. Anyway, so my Nana is here, so we're having a little family lunch, and then we might be going to like a Santa-y thing this afternoon, but I'm not sure. But I'm feeling much better, so I don't mind what we do now. Are we going on a torch walk, Kyla? We're getting out of the house.
Don't shine your eye, people.
Oh
down
no.
Down in the ground.
And Lacken's in there somewhere, isn't he? Stop screaming. Oh, we crashed. Oh, just getting our gloves off in preparation.
Ready? Lots of water time.
Oh no, we could be here a while.
In this bit.
One. Oh, I don't think there's any pussycats there. Ooh, what about under that bush? No? I had fun on our little torch walk, and Lacken slept for all of, I don't know, 10 minutes or something. I think his reflux is bad again. I don't think the increased dose of the ranitidine is helping that much. He hasn't napped pretty much all day today. He's just been screaming and in pain. He's just feeding just now, that's why he is there. And yeah, I'm trying to get him to nap, and it's just not happening. And the more tired he gets, the more worked up he gets, and it's just a really vicious cycle, and I don't like it very much. So yeah, but I've survived my hangover with 2 kids, which is wonderful. I feel much better now, and I'm very excited for a big bowl of pasta for dinner. But yeah, sorry, it's been a pretty boring day. Tomorrow will be more exciting, I promise. Pasta and cheese. Hello. Hello, handsome boy. Oh, don't go cross-eyed. Where's all your smileys gone?
Never mind the light.
What? That was a big story. I thought you were singing Jingle Bells.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle.
Wow. What did they say?
Oh, oh.
Ho, ho, ho.
Make it go by.
That's a snowman.
Oh, oh, oh.
Can Santa sing Jingle Bells, please?
Jingle bell all the way. Jingle bell all the way.
Beautiful.
Ah.
Morning, it's Sunday morning and we are rushing as per usual, and we're going to see Santa come with a helicopter, aren't we, Mum? Well, we hope we are. He hasn't arrived yet. I think it's pretty much meant to be landing now. Isla and Dad have gone off, like, so they wouldn't miss him. I think we've caught up now. Ah. What does he do? Does he go ho ho ho? Merry Christmas. Hello, Lachlan. Did you see Santa? Your sister thought it was her Dada. I feel like we're like a Santa cult. We're all just following him. Yes, Santa. Yes, Santa. Wherever you're going, we'll come. Oh, look at him. Now we are at Crosses Castle for their Christmas Wonderland thingy. We're just waiting for Isla. She's hiding behind the tree. So yeah, I think it's some like Santa's workshop and stuff like that, but Lachlan was in a good mood and now he's crying. But yeah, I'm feeling very festive today. Are you dancing? Are you waving, Isla? Look at the reindeer. Look at this.
See certain things happening that are better.
Six eggs are better than all the rest.
Where are you going? What happened with Santa, Isla? What happened? Did you not like him? No, you didn't, did you? Get Lachlan trying to roll over. You're too young to be doing that. Too young. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh no, it's for Isla's baby. Oh, no, it's for Isla's DBs. Oh, no, it's for Isla's DBs. We just done stories? Yes. You say hello, Dada. Say, Dada, I was supposed to speak to Santa and tell him I wanted you home for Christmas. But you didn't, did you? No. What are you going to tell Dada? What did you see today? Dada is on the boat, yeah. Not for much longer, though. Dada home in 14 days, 17 days. No more teeth, darling. We're chatting. We're telling everyone we're saying goodbye. Oh, no. No more sausage. We'll be doing this for about a good 10 minutes or so. No more. You hurt my face last time. Anyway. Say, Dada, I miss you. Say, Dada, I'll see you soon. Say, see you soon. See you soon, Dada. How exciting. So yeah, that's the end of the weekend vlog. This weird toothbrush child. You're obsessed. By the way, this is not my toothbrush I bought her. This is a free one she got at nursery that she's now obsessed with. Hey, look at that bad boy. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. We've had a rather busy day today. Oh, my camera died at the whole Santa escapade. So yeah, basically we stood in a queue for what, an hour? Hour? At Crathis, and yeah, saw Santa and Isla was really excited, and then once we got there she had an absolute meltdown. I've got a really good photo which I'll put up to the side here now because it's hilarious. And you weren't very happy, were you? So that was a waste of time. And then we were trying to get back to the car and it was literally pitch dark. There was nothing. My phone was dead, my camera was dead. We had no torch, obviously. And yeah, we had to use my mum's phone and it was awful. Like, it was so badly organised. But anyway, enough of that. Say bye-bye. Have a good week, everyone. Say bye. You're crazy. So I might go to the cinema and leave you with the grandparents, eh? Thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye.
No!
Yes, say bye.
Bye.
Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday morning, isn't it, Isla Amelia? Yes. Hello.